Hello guys, so if you are a new YouTuber and you're struggling to get YouTube recommendation for your videos, please watch this video to the end. I'll tell you how to get YouTube recommendation. As you know, as a new YouTuber, one of the best ways for your videos to get out there is when YouTube suggests your videos to other people on the platform. So if you're a YouTuber and YouTube is not doing that, your videos might not be discovered by people. And when your videos are not discovered by people, you won't have enough views, you won't have enough watch hours. Please, if you're looking for YouTube to recommend your videos, please watch this video to the end. I promise you it will do wonders for you. If you're just joining me, please make sure to subscribe, comment, and share this video with other new YouTubers. So the first thing for you to do is to go to the YouTube studio and go to the settings. I'm going to be showing you this. Please watch my screen. So click on settings. Under settings, go to channel. Under channel, go to basic info. Choose your country of residence. And in these hashtag areas, make sure you put hashtags that are relating to your channel. Make sure to insert the name of the content creator in your niche that are doing well on their own. Put their name in this hashtag box. This will enable YouTube to recommend your videos to their viewers. Imagine if they have 1 million viewers, at least 20,000 or 10,000 of their viewers will be exposed to your videos, which is good for you as a new YouTuber. On this screen, you can see browse features, suggested videos, and all that. Browse features and suggested video is YouTube algorithm pushing your videos to people to watch. Without putting in the right settings, your videos will not be recommended and they will not be suggested. And you don't want that to happen because it will be waste of resources for you. The next setting is this one you're seeing on my screen, future eligibility. There is standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. Make sure that they are all enabled. If they are not enabled, YouTube is not going to recommend your videos and you won't be able to create thumbnails or go on live video. When you click on these features and they are not enabled in your settings, just click on the box and it will give you exactly what to do. Basically, the things you need to make that enabled in your settings is your ID card, a video capture of yourself, and your phone number. Those are the things that you need to enable those features in your settings. When you're done with the settings, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you follow YouTube community guidelines, follow their rules, and obey their regulation. Because if you do this, your YouTube channel will have a positive channel history. Once your channel have a positive history, YouTube will understand that you're credible and they will want to recommend your videos to other people. If you keep getting strike or if you keep breaking YouTube regulations, you might not be lucky to get recommendation because YouTube will not trust you. YouTube algorithm is like a person. So if you're always lying to a person, if you're always giving excuses and lying to people, then people will not trust you. Just like YouTube algorithm, if you're always breaking the rules, you're always getting a warning strike, always breaking rules, then YouTube will think that you're not a trustworthy person. They will not want to recommend your videos. So this is one of the ways you can actually grow on YouTube. And we all know that YouTube recommendation is the one thing that will push your video out there. Fine, many of you have communities of people who are willing to engage with your content. If YouTube algorithm pushes your video to a larger audience, then it means more and more people will have access to your videos. And if many people are watching your videos, that shows the sign that your channel is credible, that you're actually producing something relevant to people. So that's one of the ways to grow on YouTube. That's one of the best ways to make YouTube recommend your videos.